going to talk about humanity introduction. Introduction, humanity Islam recognizing no distinction among human beings based on color, language, or tribal. All are considered equal in receiving human rights and discharge duties. According to Islam teaching, no privilege or chosen class exist except those having a pity or moral exchange.
Islam teaches that human beings are born in a state of purity, as well as with a natural moral sense that enables one to differentiate between what is good and what is not. Prophets of God were sent to humanity to perfect good conduct in order to bring to fruition the seeds of virtue that reside in the original human nature. As we grow, we are able to make decisions which foster these seeds or shun them. Although the instinct of morality exists in humanity, worldly realities often to make choosing right over wrong difficult. The Quran praises those who choose to sharpen their moral sense, and it condemns those in whom it has become so dull that the ugliness of sin becomes beauty their eyes. Each individual is accountable to God for the path he or she choose.
In Islam, life is sacred and one of the God's greatest gift and blessing. Every moment of life has a great value and cannot be restored. Therefore, it must be valued and protected. Despite having a poor quality, the guiding principle in Islamic bioethics are whoever kills a soul except for murder or damage to the ground, it is as if he killing everyone. And whoever keep it alive, as if he were alive all mankind. Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse 532. According to this verse, saving life is an obligation, and the improper taking of life is a great crime. All form of life very precious and considered to be a sign of God. However, among all form of life in the material world, human life is the most extraordinary and the most precious.
Hi guys. Okay. Today I want to talk about the evidence of the humanity that I found by myself by researchers. Okay. Islamic teaches all humans are equal before God regardless of race, class and nationality. The daily prayer demonstrates this concept as Muslim from all walks of life pray shoulder to shoulder, such as here in the streets of New York City. After that, Islamic humanity comprises various pillars which includes peace, tranquility in society, good governance, recognitions and mutual protections, obligations, endurance and tolerance in society. Moreover, emphasis education, knowledge, truthfulness in business transactions, in daily affairs are the basic merits of Islam. Thank you guys. Thank you sir.
Good morning, my name is Darshni Thanabalan. So I'm going to talk about the disadvantages of humanity. In the face of global trend, which begins in the 17th centuries, Islam seems to be the only major religion to maintain the conversion away from the religion they see must be punished with death. In a number of Muslim majorities countries such as Arabic Saudi, apostasy law and the association, death penalty still prevail on the basis of certain sayings attributed to the Prophet Muhammad. The most obvious of this is the hadith that states, whoever changes his religion, kill him. There are several other examples of hadith in which the Prophet reportedly ordered the executions of specific individuals, and these are often used to bolster the arguments that the appropriate punishment for conversion from Islam is death. As the Prophet says, beware, whoever oppresses a muwahhid or snatches any of his rights or cause him pain which he cannot bear or take anything from him without his permission, then I will fight against such a Muslim on the day of the judgment. In the line of notions, protection of religion, conversion of Islam to another religion was not considered a right from the juristic points of view. Indeed, most of jurists consider conversion from Islam a crime. For them, Islam is the only valid religion and its authority and authenticity are beyond.
Conclusion: humanity is very important in Islam because we have to respect each of everyone, do some help for them. Humanity is make ourselves wonderful, have to respect themselves. Thank you.